Welcome to the channel, and thank you for being here. Today, we're going really deep into something that's become more than just a vehicle to many people. It's a symbol of freedom, creativity, simplicity, and adventure. I'm talking about the Toyota Motorhome, whether you know it as the Toyota Dolphin, Sunraider, Warrior, or Odyssey, or you've only just heard of these retro RVs, you're in for a treat. If you've ever dreamed of traveling across the country with your home in the rearview mirror, if you've thought about downsizing, off-grid living, or finding a new pace of life, then the Toyota Motorhome might just be what you've been looking for. These RVs are compact, iconic, and affordable, but they also come with a lot of character and, like anything with personality, they're not perfect. That's part of what makes them so special. Over the course of this video, we're going to talk about the history, the design, the engine, the lifestyle, and what it's really like to own, live in, restore, and travel in one of these legendary little homes on wheels. We'll hear real stories from owners, we'll look at examples of builds and renovations, and we'll even dig into the myths and misconceptions that have surrounded these rigs for decades. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, or maybe some tools. If you're mid-project end, let's get into it. Let's begin with the history. The Toyota Motorhome came into popularity in the late 1970s and saw peak production through the 1980s into the early 90s. The idea was pretty simple. Take one of the most reliable, small truck chassis on the road, the Toyota Helix or Toyota truck, and build an RV shell on the back. Toyota provided the cab and the chassis. Companies like Winnebago, Dolphin Industries, Sunraider, Itasca, Coachman, and a handful of others did the rest. This partnership was a hit. Why? Well, for starters, the Toyota truck was known around the world for its reliability. It wasn't the fastest, it wasn't the most powerful, but it ran and ran and ran. These engines, especially the legendary 22R and 22RE, were simple, robust, and easy to work on. Some of them still run great at 300,000 or even 400,000 miles by mounting a small motorhome body to that chassis. Manufacturers created something new for the American marketer. True compact RV, something smaller than a full Class C, but bigger and more functional than a camper van. And it hit a sweet spot that people didn't even know they wanted until they saw it. Let's talk about the typical layout. Most Toyota motorhomes are between 18 and 22 feet long. That might sound small, but wait until you step inside. Most of these units use the classic overcab bed design, which sleeps two people comfortably. Then you typically have a dinette or sofa that converts into another bed, a small galley kitchen with a 2-burner stove and sink, a compact fridge, and a wet bath in the rear corner or full rear. Some even have closets, overhead storage, and cabinetry that rivals newer RVs. It's not luxurious. It's not flashy, but it's clever. These rigs were built at a time when function really mattered, and it shows. One of the standout features is fuel economy. Most Toyota motorhomes get between 14 and 18 miles per gallon. Compare that to a newer Class C that might get 7 to 10 mpg, or a large diesel pusher that might get 5 or 6. Over the course of a long trip, that difference really adds up, not just in your wallet but in your ability to go further, stay longer, and travel more often. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Power. Yes, these RVs are slow. The 22R engine is great for reliability, but it doesn't exactly tear up the highway. You'll be cruising at 55 to 60 miles per hour on the freeway, maybe 65 on a downhill. Hills are, let's just say, they take patience. But many Toyota RV owners will tell you, slowing down is part of the lifestyle. You don't buy one of these to rush. You buy it to enjoy the journey, to savor the in-between moments, and to embrace the beauty of traveling at a human pace. Let's get technical for a moment. The 22R and 22RE engines are inline 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engines. The 22RE added electronic fuel injection for a bit more power and reliability. Both engines are well supported by parts and documentation. You can find repair manuals, forums, and videos that walk you through everything from a valve adjustment to a full rebuild. This is a mechanic's dream, and even if you're not a mechanic, this is a vehicle you can learn on. That said, the weight of the RV body does push these little engines pretty hard. And that leads us to one of the most important issues with older Toyota motorhomes, the rear axle. Before 1986, many units came with a light-duty single-wheel rear axle that simply wasn't built to handle the weight. Cracked axles, broken wheels, and even catastrophic failures were not uncommon. Toyota issued a recall, and the smart move is to make sure any unit you're looking at has had the axle replaced. You want to see a full floating dual-wheel axle with 6 lug nuts per wheel. If it still has the old 5-lug axle, walk away or plan for a major upgrade. Let's shift gears and talk about the lifestyle. What is it actually like to own and travel in a Toyota motorhome? Well, for starters, it's different from any modern RV. There's a sense of intimacy with the vehicle. It creaks a bit. You'll learn its quirks. It might take a little coaxing to start on a cold morning. You'll get to know the plumbing system, the propane tank, the quirks of the fridge, But you also gain a sense of pride, of connection. You're not just driving something, it becomes a project, a hobby, a partner in your adventure. The Toyota Motorhome forces you to think carefully about space. You don't have unlimited room. You might only have one drawer for utensils, 2 cabinets for clothes, a 20-gallon water tank. That minimalism for many people becomes freeing. You realize how little you actually